In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp. Whether you're an experienced user or a newcomer to email marketing, understanding your campaign reports is crucial for optimizing your communication strategies. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This section is your main hub for managing email marketing efforts, allowing you to view current and past campaigns. Once you've clicked on Campaigns, find the specific campaign report you wish to analyze. When you spot it, click the View Report button. This is where you can get detailed insights and breakdowns on how your email performed. Your report is divided into several key sections, beginning with the overview. Here you'll see crucial metrics like the open rate, which indicates the percentage of recipients who opened your email. Next is the click rate, which shows the percentage of recipients who clicked on any links within the email. If there were any delivery issues, the bounce rate will summarize the percentage of emails that couldn't be delivered. Finally, under Overview, you'll find the unsubscribes metric, letting you know how many recipients decided to opt out from your email list after this campaign. Moving on, you'll find the click performance section. This part of the report details which links in your email were clicked the most. It's a valuable insight as it helps you identify what content your audience finds engaging, allowing you to tailor future content to suit their preferences better. Next up is subscriber activity, which offers a closer look at actions taken by individual subscribers. This includes opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes for each person, providing granular insights into your audience's engagement. If social sharing was enabled for your campaign, you'll also have access to the social performance section. This part shows the number of clicks, shares, and likes your email received on social media. It's a powerful way to measure your campaign's reach beyond the inbox. Last but not least, make sure to check out the comparison charts. These charts allow you to compare the performance of your current campaign with past ones. They highlight trends over time, such as fluctuations in open rates and click rates, helping you gauge the effectiveness of your email marketing strategies. By understanding these report sections, you can make data-driven decisions and refine your approach to achieve better results in future campaigns. Analyzing these metrics regularly will empower you to communicate more effectively with your audience. Thanks for watching, and now you should have a better grasp of how to navigate and interpret your Mailchimp email campaign reports. Happy emailing!